This is Mom's favorite candle holder.
Scoot over, Tony.
Slow down, Lily. What are you doing? I'm trying to prepare the candle holder for Mom.
Can you hurry up and scoot over? I have stuff for Mom too.
Lily, put out! Lily, what are you doing?
Oops. I'm sorry. My flowers and my fruit was so heavy.
The candle holder's broken. What am I gonna do now?
Calm down, Tony. I got you.
To make a new candle holder, start with a wine glass. Paint the handle green. Flip it over and paint the inside orange. Use a glue gun to add decorations. You can use anything from leaves to flowers or even sticks. Then draw the lines of a pumpkin. Use construction paper to cut a donut shape. Glue the candle on top. Then glue the wine glass as well. Flip the switch. Add a pumpkin and it's ready.
How does it look, Tony?
Whoa, they look awesome. Mom's gonna love it. You're so talented, Lily.
Don't say that.
Have you guys finished setting up for the party?
Yeah, look.
Huh? Where's my favorite candle holder?
Those candle holders are old, Mom. We made new ones. Do you like it?
Wow, these are actually pretty nice. Thank you guys. Tony, can you help me fix the table?
Yeah, of course.
That was so close.
Mom, I finished the fruit for the Thanksgiving dinner.
What? Are you kidding me? You're using that as dessert?
Yes, Mom, because the fruit's so delicious.
Sophie, that doesn't look fancy enough for a Thanksgiving dinner.
Mom, are you serious? It's just a dinner.
What? It's supposed to be special. Here, I'll do it.
To make a Thanksgiving dessert, start with a big pumpkin. Cut off a portion, then put it laying down. Cut a pear in half and flip it upside down. Add eyes, a pineapple as the beak, and an apple as a wattle. Cut an apple in slices and insert a toothpick. With cut up pineapples and grapes, stick a skewer in. Add it onto the pumpkin. Next, the turkey face. Now it's all ready to gobble up.
Look, Sophie, this is a Thanksgiving dessert I want to have.
Wow, Mom, this looks so awesome.
Thank you.
Mom, can you teach me how to do it?
I'll show you later. I need help with the cranberry sauce right now, okay?
Oh, my favorite chocolate.
Tony, are you eating candy again?
Yeah, I am, because I'm so hungry.
If you eat candy, how will you eat my Thanksgiving dinner?
It's fine, Mom. I'll still eat dinner.
No, you have to save room.
Oh, what are you doing? My candy! No, Mom!
Now, meet me in the dining room in 5 minutes. If not, I'll take your allowance.
Oh, my allowance too? Oh, how do I hide candy from Mom? Oh, I know what to do.
To hide candy, first you need a terracotta pot and the saucer. Paint it orange and add the lines. Next, use hot glue and add a cork. Then the leaves. Now we can hide all of our candy.
Look, guys, I'm hiding all my candy in here.
Tony, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You look suspicious. What are you hiding?
Oh, this is just a Thanksgiving decoration. You like it?
Okay. Put it down. Let's start eating.
All right, Mom. Shh, guys. Now my candy is safe. I'll eat it later.
Hi, Lily. Can I have a special drink for Thanksgiving? Special drink? No problem. Coming right up. Here's your special drink, Stacy. What? This is the special drink? This is just orange soda. What do you mean? It's orange. It's a Thanksgiving color. I don't want to drink soda. Wait. Give me one more chance. I'll make you a special drink. Okay. Let's see what you can do.
To make a special drink, start with apple and orange slices. Then orange juice, apple ciders, and pear nectar. Mix it really well. Pour it into a glass and add apple slices, ice, and a cinnamon stick.
Okay, Stacy, I introduce to you the fall drink.
Sounds interesting. Let me try it.
Wow, it tastes so good. Thank you, Lily. No problem. I made more if you wanted more.
Thank you.
Hey, Stacy, I got some ginger.
Oh,
Lily! Are you okay, Stacy? I just tripped over the pumpkins.
I'm okay, but my clothes is ruined. What should I wear for Thanksgiving?
Calm down. I know what to do.
Time to make a new shirt. Start with a cutout and cover the whole thing with plastic wrap. Place it on top of the shirt along with parchment paper. Iron over the parchment paper. You can make different cool designs. Once the design sticks, take off the parchment paper. These shirts are just too cute. Wow, I really like it, Lily. Thank you.
No problem. Let me help you decorate the room.
Oh, yes, please.
Hey, Sophie, can you bring me the chocolate pie? No problem, Mom. Huh? What happened, Sophie?
Oops, sorry, Mom. I dropped the pie.
What? How could you? That was for Thanksgiving dinner.
Don't worry, Mom. I know what to do. For a fast and easy dessert, start by frosting a cupcake. Cut off an end of a peanut butter cookie. Use the chocolate frosting as glue to stick the eyes. Cut an M&M and it will be the beak. Now split roll candy in half and cut it into a triangle. It'll be the waddle. Add corn candy and the turkey head. Look at all of those turkeys. How does it look, Mom?
Wow, it looks so awesome. It's even better than my pies.
See, Mom, I told you I could fix it.
You're fine this time, but be more careful.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and see you in the next video.
Bye!